In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're using this program for work, school, or your own creative projects, knowing how to draw directly on your slides can add a unique and personal touch. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to open up your internet browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a straightforward step, but it's crucial if you're accessing PowerPoint online rather than through the app on your computer. Once you've done your search, find the link for Microsoft PowerPoint in the results. Clicking on this link will direct you to the PowerPoint interface. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Login is required to access your personal or organizational PowerPoint account, and it gets you ready for the next steps of drawing directly on your slides. Once you are logged in and have opened PowerPoint, turn your attention to the toolbar. You'll want to click on the Draw tab located in the ribbon at the top of the window. This tab is your gateway to accessing various drawing tools that PowerPoint offers. In the Draw tab, you'll see multiple options like a pen, pencil, or highlighter. Select one that suits your drawing needs. If you're unsure which tool to pick, consider the nature of your project. Perhaps a pen for sharper lines, or a highlighter for softer emphasis. PowerPoint provides customization options to tailor your tool choice further. Next to each tool, you'll find a small arrow. Click this arrow to access options to change the tool's color, modify the thickness of the line, or apply different effects. This feature is excellent for adding personal flair or for matching your drawing to a specific theme or color scheme. If you find yourself using a particular setup repeatedly, you can make the process a bit easier by clicking Add Pen. This option allows you to create and save a custom pen with your settings, saving you time the next time you need to draw. Now, you are ready to start drawing. Click and drag your mouse or use a stylus on the slide to create your drawing. The slide is your canvas, and you can let your creativity run wild as you illustrate your ideas. Mistakes happen, and sometimes you might want to tweak the details of your drawing. PowerPoint has an eraser tool for this very reason. Simply select it and erase parts of your drawing that you want to change or remove. And there you have it, a quick guide on using Microsoft PowerPoint's drawing capabilities to their fullest. With these steps, you're well equipped to make your presentations more engaging and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing.